Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I am going to teach you about aggregation functions of max and min, max and min. These two are predefined built-in functions in SQL language. MySQL accurately supports these min and max values to getting from the database data rows. See, earlier lecture we have seen here for like a sum of the particular unit price. Now see simply the same query I am applying here. If you are not seen that earlier lecture, go through it like aggregation function of sum of the total price, how we are going to be getting from the group of the category wise grouping, and on that particular category invoice order wise invoice wise we are fetching in a total amount of the particular invoice. Now in this lecture I am going to present you and showing you, instead of using like aggregation function of sum, here what I'm introducing here, I would like to see here max unit price out of the group of order. That particular order we are making is in a group anyhow by using the like a group by like order ID, and order by, it's that how we are making is an order ID like a ascending order or descending order by making. Now, here by expanding the earlier query statement by seeing out of the group or like order ID details, we see how what is the max unit price of that particular group of orders. Now, see here by simply you apply here, it is an MAX. Within the parenthesis, you will see here the unit price we'll see. Now go to by preparing, that's it, you need not to do anything. Instead of sum, you just replace with the max function will automatically apply over there. Go here by executing the query, you'll see on 10248 this is the max price unit, it's not in a total and it's in a max price, max particular group of units, max price of that particular item only will get in the result set here, all the result set independently based on that group ID. And similarly, as in a max price we are seeing here is in a column name, you just simply change it as an AS statement like maximum underscore price, you write it. Max unit price also you can take it, max price, max unit price, and just see here you will get in a label of max unit price, and the same thing it will get it. And moreover here we will see here one more thing, and like max it's a min. The min unit price, what it will say is quite opposite of max. Max will get in a max unit price, maximum unit price out of the group of the orders details, that invoice order. And now what is the minimum value unit price of this particular group? Now execute here. Now see, this is the minimum value. It is changed. Earlier it is around 37 something, it is their number. Now it is the minimum value of that group ID, like invoices, the products which is added for his bucket. This is the min value. Why it is required? If we want to use min max, it is also required. If the person he is going to be billing like a maximum any item, and there is a may offer some discounts, and minimum this is the item, if he is buyed some of the products, if is added the minimum requirement like above approaching of 50 rupees or 45 price and 400 rupees, there might be a concession of the delivery charges. The e-commerce portals, they may offer you such a scenarios. You want to use min and max queries by applying these predefined functions in SQL statements. Automatically while executing this query statement only, you will get the result set, or on that result set of data accurately you can filter it and you can use it ready-madely. Otherwise you need to fetch the data, all the data rows which you require to filter, and you need to process on the coding by applying either any of the looping statements. There you have to find out which is the maximum value and minimum value. Instead of using this is a very regular process, it is required for all the databases and all the applications, very regular way. So they have introduced min and max functions predefinedly. Similarly, there is an AVG, average, and count also there. Count will always, you get the rows, number of rows you are getting and filtering the data rows from the database. All right. Hopefully, you got a good idea about applying for min and max. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.